What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Surface Pro. So another day, another tablet over here at Will H Tech Review. So I picked up the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 12.3 inch touchscreen. This has the Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigabytes of memory, 128 gigabytes of solid state drive storage. So this came out back in October last year. So this is the latest model. I got the platinum color, and it's $699.99 at Best Buy right now, $200 off. So you guys know, if you follow my channel, a while back I made a video about my iPad Pro 11, saying that it was too small and I missed the 12.9 inch iPad. So I ended up selling my 11 inch tablet and I was about to pick up the 12.9 inch. That's why I sold the 11 inch. But in the process of looking around for it, I didn't find the price that I was looking for. I was looking to buy an open box at Best Buy. And in the process, I came across the Microsoft Surface Pro. Now, I have been using this tablet here. This is the Microsoft Surface Go. And I really come to really enjoy the Surface Go. And that is one reason why I ended up just changing my mind completely about the iPad. And I'll just pick up a like an iPad 7 or something like that to have around as an iPad. But I think this is going to work out perfectly for me. So that's why I end up doing it. So here's a few features and details about this device. This is the next generation laptop. Features the versatility of a studio and a tablet. So you can type, touch, draw, write, work, and play. Next generation power to fuel your ideas. A 10th gen Intel Core processor, over 2 times faster than the Surface 6. It has multitasking speed, improved graphics, stunning entertainment, incredible Wi-Fi performance, and long battery life. So this also has USB Type-C, USB Type-A, connecting to displays, docking stations, and more. Ultra slim and light. It only weighs 1.70 pounds. All-day power on the go, 10 hours, up to 10 hours of battery, plus the ability to go from empty to full faster, about 80% in about an hour. So you can get this in different colors. The only color they had for me when I was there was the platinum. This has Windows 10 Home. It has Windows Hello. Those are a few features and details about this, but we want to just get into it and check it out. So let's get into it and check it out. So here's the box here. Just a picture of the device on it, some words there. So you can see down at the bottom, I have the 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM. And there's some more stuff on it there. Decided they did have a lower, less spec version of this, but I didn't want the 4 gigabytes of RAM version. I wanted 8 because this is going to be my little computer on the go when I'm out and about. And I think this is going to do great because with the Microsoft Surface Go, I have been able to do everything I need, but it's a little underpowered. So let's get this out of this box here. All right, so here is the device. Let's put it over to the side right now. Very nice size. Do like the feel of it so far. And here's, you get your paperwork and stuff. Nothing new here. You get your This is probably a startup guide. Yep, getting started. And this is just a piece of paper here, look like it. So put that over to the side and you get your charger. And this is a proprietary charger. So it's a two-part deal here. So there it is right there. And I can't see how many watts or whatever this is, but this is the proprietary. And that's all you get in the box with the Microsoft Surface Pro. All right, so here's the tablet. Moment of truth. There's the plastic off of it there. Here's the back of it. Now this is made out of magnesium. I've bought it enough times now to know. The last time I had a Pro was the Pro 4, the 4th edition. As you can see here, you got your little spaces here where you get your heat dispersers. Microsoft Windows logo. 8 megapixel camera on the back. You have a mic. I think that camera is capable of shooting 1080p 30 frames. You got your slot for your Microsoft, for your micro SD card. On this side, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And you can see just how thin this thing is as well. Pogo pins for your type cover keyboard case. On this side, got your Type-C charging port, your full-size USB 3.0, and your proprietary charging port right there. On the top, you have your volume up and down and power. And then on the front, you have 2 microphones, you have your camera, and your sensors for Windows Hello and that stuff. But as you can see, very thin. 1.7 pounds, so not very big at all. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to go ahead, after it boot up, put in the information, then we'll take a look at it. Okay guys, so we're back in, and the display on this thing looks absolutely great. This is a 12.3 inch. It's not a Super AMOLED display. This has 3:2 aspect ratio. The resolution is 2736 by 1824 for 267 ppi, and I think it looks great. Like I said before, I have been using my Microsoft Surface Go, and this is a great little device, man. I have been able to do a lot of things with this device. That's Windows Hello. As you can see, you can get in that pretty fast. I do have some more videos to do on this with this device. But what's going to happen, this device is going to be taken off. I'm going to be getting rid of it since I have the big one here. But here's the size difference, as you guys can see. Pretty good difference in size here. 10.5 versus 12.3. And that's the only reason why I'm getting rid of this one. It does everything that I need. And I've been pleasantly surprised. And that's the lower tier one with the 4425Y processor. And then I also still have my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 here. And this one will be around as well. And I got a case on this one, but you can see that the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is a whole lot bigger. So out the box, I want to see just how much storage you have out of the 128. And I do have a kickstand, Will, so go ahead and put it up on the kickstand. So there it is. So let's go to storage. So out of the box, we have 87 gigabytes free. But I'm going to drop, so the system is using 32 gigabytes. Wow, that's quite a bit. I'm going to drop a 128 gigabyte card in here. And I think the process on this one, the i5 and everything is going to be great for me. And I think this is going to be just my everyday carry device that I'm going to use. And I should be able to edit videos, watch movies, do split screen and things of that nature with this with ease. So just introducing this to Will H Tech Review. Some of the differences here too from this, the Go. I do like the idea of having the full-size USB plug right there as well. So it's a little bit different here. This is actually is thinner than the Go, as you guys can see going around it here. And then on this end, you got your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, whereas on the Go, you have it on the opposite end. So yeah, both of them featuring that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack is great. So this is nice, man. This is gonna be sweet. Let's see if Windows Hello can get me here. I do have it set up, and it's asking for my PIN first, so there it is. All right, guys, more videos to come about this device. After I use it for a while, I'll make some more videos. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.
Perfect.